Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be milling up some of this Norway maple. Try to get a look at the inside and see if it would make a decent board or not. Cutting a bunch of this into firewood, and some of this is pretty boring, you know, when you're looking at it. Just nothing that's really that exciting. But then when I get a bigger piece like this where it has the crotch in it, and then we look at the other side and it has that nice dark brown in there with that white, this is the kind of stuff that I'd like to mill. So I'm going to start out with this one here. It's not quite as thick as the other one. It's got a nice brown ring in there like that center, and then it's got this little crotch area. So we'll mill it up, just see what it looks like, see if we want to mill any more of it. And once again, I'm just going to use my mini chainsaw mill here and my steel. This is an MS 360. That's all I really need to get through the little ones. Looking at that now, it really does have some pretty grain in it. I just cut it like this so I get a flat surface here, and then I want to cut it across with that crotch part right there, and that might turn out really pretty. I'm really not sure what I think about this Norway maple, but it's unique for sure. If you had to, you know, get those squared off and planed and glued together and got a clear coat on them with that dark and that light, you'd have a pretty unique looking board. A couple out of that log right there. At least now we all know what the inside of a Norway maple looks like. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. We'll see you guys on the next video.